In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in ZipBooks. By the end, you'll be ready to log in and start organizing your business finances with confidence. First, open your browser and head to the official ZipBooks website. On the homepage, look toward the top right corner for the Sign Up button. That's your starting point. If you're on a phone or tablet, this option may be tucked inside a menu icon near the top of the screen. Click Sign Up and you'll be taken to the account creation flow. Next, you'll choose a plan. ZipBooks offers different tiers designed for various business needs. If you're just getting started or want to try things out without a commitment, select the starter plan. It's the free option and a solid way to explore the basics. Click sign up now under that plan. You can always upgrade later if you need more features, so there's no pressure here. Focus on what matches your current stage. Now it's time to enter your details. You'll be asked for your full name and email address you can reliably access, a secure password, and your company name. Use an email you check frequently so you can receive important notifications and account updates. For your password, go for a strong, unique combination to protect your financial data. And when it comes to the company name, this is what will appear on invoices and other documents. If you're a freelancer or sole proprietor, using your own name or your brand name is perfectly fine. Take a moment to review any terms or preferences on the screen and make sure everything looks correct before you submit. Once you complete the form, you'll be redirected to your new ZipBooks dashboard. This is your command center for invoicing, expenses, reports, and more. You'll typically see prompts that guide you through initial setup, such as adding your business details, clients, or services. You don't have to do anything immediately. Feel free to look around and get comfortable. Explore the navigation to see where invoices, contacts, and settings live. If you ever get stuck, look for help or support links within the app. That's all it takes to create your account. Visit the website and choose Sign Up, pick the plan that fits, enter your basic information, and you're in. As a final tip, save your login information in a secure password manager and always sign out if you're using a shared device. You're now ready to manage your finances more efficiently with ZipBooks.